Okay, class, it's time for art. Get out your art notebooks and draw a picture of you want. Blythe, did you just burp? No, I didn't, Teacher Angela. Don't lie to me. You just burped. Go to timeout while I call your family. Hello, Puff and Lloyd. Your daughter Blythe literally burped in class. I am expelling her from school. Can you two please pick her up? Okay, thanks. So long. Blythe, we can't believe you got suspended for burping in class. That's it. You are grounded for 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 12, 16, 17, 19, 20, 18, 14, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 27, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 7, 8, 2, 6, 5, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. Go upstairs to your room now.
Yeah!